Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, first starting 11 yeBafana Bafana against iLesotho. Lapha nepalini kuqale uWilliams obvious captain yeBafana Bafana, uMbokazi surprise. uMaloyisani uyaqala bafethu, umuntu beka replace Ocon ngoba Ocon ulimele uqalile, uModiba, uMobi, uMbatha, uMokoena, uMbule, uApholis, uNkotha, uFoster. Yazi abeLesotho bathe uMokoena mayengadlala bekumele abe suspended, mengenzeka adlale bazo-strike bazokwenzani, but nangu uMokoena uyadlala. Asazi ngempela ukuthi lento le izokwenzani kuBafana Bafana going forward, because abantu bazo-complaina ngempela. But ithe neLesotho they will lodge i-complaint formally mabangabona uMokoena edlala, because uMokoena udlala against bona and bekungamelanga adlala against bona. Sipho Mbuli, I mean, like, surprise. Sipho Mbuli is starting a game. Sipho Mbuli naye beyi-replace uPatrick Maswanganyi, but uyaqala igame yeBafana Bafana. I mean, into makuyeyakhe yakho, bengacabanga ukuthi uzoba kula ma-qualifiers, walimala uMaswanganyi, wabizwa sekayaqala umfethu. Danko, andingakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe.